Welcome to video 10B in our Health in the Watershed Atlas project series. This video will focus on the second measure in the people and community sector, community well-being in the Battle River Watershed study area. Researchers used two indicators, Community Wellbeing Index and the Indigenous Community Wellbeing Index. The Community Wellbeing Index is a measure of socioeconomic well-being for communities in Canada and focuses on educational attainment, labor force activity, income, housing, and communities are indexed on a scale of 1 to 100. It also identifies differences of well-being among Inuit and First Nations communities in comparison with non-Indigenous communities. All communities, including Indigenous communities, have seen a steady increase in scores since 1981, but disparities are still very pronounced. The first map shows the Community Wellbeing Index in the BRW. The index score is 80, just slightly above the Alberta average, with a small region south of Wetaskiwin with a significantly lower range between 40 to 50. Next, figure 2.4 shows the community well-being disparity between Indigenous and non-Indigenous communities in the Watershed study area, Alberta and Canada. While Indigenous well-being overall appears to have increased significantly in some regions of the country, for example BC and Manitoba, some prairie provinces report large gaps in well-being between Indigenous and non-Indigenous communities, and these gaps have remained large over time, according to the Government of Canada and Indigenous Services Canada from 2019. So what is being done? Alberta has competitive economic growth, high labor market participation, median wage, low unemployment and poverty rates, yet increasing inequality as economic growth tends to benefit top earners, and there doesn't seem to be any indication that the province will change its strategy, which appears to be compatible with a robust economy but also high rates of economic inequality and social insecurity. So what could be done? The Community Wellbeing Index does not include local decision-making and policy implementation as a significant matter for well-being, but for rural communities and small municipalities, this inclusion could alleviate the democratic accountability gap rural communities often face. While the indexes are good sources of data and provide a historical record, these attempts to measure well-being beyond GDP in Canada have not affected real political change, but the data could be used as a research tool to help communities identify areas of strength and areas of improvement in their delivery of social services. Please like and follow for more information about our Health in the Watershed Atlas project.